Are y'all like me and tired of your thumbnails turning out like this? Well, don't you worry, guys, because I'm going to teach you guys how to go from thumbnails like this to thumbnails like this, you guys. Click-worthy thumbnails that will draw your audience in, okay? So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, Jasmine Inspires. I'm up, I'm ready, I'm inspired to be a better me, and hopefully you are inspired too. As you guys can tell from the title below, we're going to be getting into how to make bomb thumbnails, okay? So with that being said, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you have not hit that notification bell, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you guys have not paid attention to videos that I've made like in the past, oh my gosh, my thumbnails was ridiculous. Like, I'll go ahead and I'll pop up some pictures that you guys can see because it was ridiculous, y'all. I was struggling for real. But it wasn't until I started using Canva that it really helped me to learn how to make really good thumbnails that is click worthy, okay? So with that being said, and just let y'all know, Canva is not sponsoring me for this video at all. You guys, I just came across Canva, decided to use it, and I love it, and I wanted to share my experience with it with you guys. Canva, y'all need to go ahead and holler at your girl, all right? Because I'm definitely giving y'all kudos. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys on my computer how I make thumbnails and how it's so easy, and it can be easy for you guys. All right, so all you have to do is just make sure you put in www.canva.com and it should take you straight to this page. You will have to make a account with them, but what I love is that it is free, you guys. It doesn't cost money. And two, as you guys can see, not only can you access Canva on your computer, but you can also access it on your phone as well. So you can be making good thumbnails on your phone when you're on the go. You guys, you can do it. So I actually already have an account with them. I'm going to put my information in and then we're going to get started. All right, you guys, so we are in Canva right now, okay? What I love about Canva is that you have plenty of templates to choose from. And I also like how they have different things that you can create within Canva. All you have to do is go to create a design. We're going to make a YouTube thumbnail, so you can just click on that. And this is where you're going to start, okay? You have a blank canvas right here, all white. What I love is that if you wanted to put color on your canvas, you can. Just click on it to where you see that blue border around it. You can hit that little box up there and you can choose whatever color that you want it to be. So that is pretty cool. And for the sake of the video, let's do blue. All right. So we're going to do blue, right? So I am going to, let's just say I'm going to make a thumbnail that is going to be talking about, you know, working out or something like that. So you can either upload a picture. You can actually upload it to here. And as you guys can see, all the pictures that I've already uploaded on here, you can do that. In fact, instead of doing a workout, we're actually going to do a fashion thumbnail. So I'm going to actually click this one, and this one. Yeah, we're going to do that. Okay. What I also love too is that you can also pick their pictures that they already have generated in on their website. So let's just say if you want to do a fashion type of picture. I just spelled that wrong, y'all. Don't talk about me. Look at what you can choose from. Like, seriously? Love it. So you can choose your own pictures. Like me, I did a lookbook not too long ago and I wore these 3 outfits for my lookbook. So that's what I ended up using. And so, yeah. What I love too about this is that you do not have to, let's say you want to take out the background. You can take out the background and all you have to do is just go up here to effects, background remover, let it do its work, and look, y'all, the background is gone. Oops. So yes, you guys. So I really love that about this. So let's just say we want to keep that right here. So you can definitely do this, okay? And but I am going to add some words. You can go to the text right here. You can choose to either click these and you can kind of write in whatever you want. And you can move it wherever you want. It's up to you. Or you can delete that. And you, let's just say you were looking through here and you see, oh man, I like this. You can actually go in here, right? Let's say if I want to do fashion lookbook. I can put that in there. Y'all, I'm just misspelling this word left and right. Put that in there. I can even change the color if I wanted to. So if I wanted it to be like maybe a white color. And let's just say for here, we can put Sunday outfits. And maybe I don't want that to be black. Maybe I want that to be pink. I don't know. Okay? You can do that. And so that's what I really love about this. Okay? And so you can play around with that. It's up to you. I also like how you can turn it around. All you have to do is just hit that little circle right there. And you can turn it around how you like. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this picture out. I'm going to go back to my uploads. Find that picture again. Hit it again. And I'm actually going to keep that up. Okay? We're going to do that. I think that's good. All right, so I actually changed that. And I'm going to put that up here. And as you guys can see, it's a little crooked. Let me just kind of fix that. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Doesn't take long to get this thing working. Let's say if I wanted to add like some different things on here. So I can go to elements and they actually have like different things that you can put on there to add to your page. So if I want to search something, let's say shopping, and maybe I wanted to put, I don't know, shopping bags. You can do that. You can definitely do that. There you go. It's definitely easy to use, and that's what I really love about Canva, is that it's so easy to use. And I mean, I'm all about that because nobody have time to be pulling out instructions trying to figure things out. Like, we don't have time for that. So that's what I love about Canva. All right, you guys, so once you are done with your thumbnail, all you have to do is click on the download button at the top. And as you can see, it says file type right there. You can either keep it a PNG or you can click it and go down to JPEG. And after you do that, you can hit download. There has been times where I went like all the way up on here. Now, just to let you guys know, if you do go all the way up, you know, that makes this too big of a size for it. So you just want to keep it the way that it was. I'm just going to go down just a little bit because I don't remember what it was. Here, let me just do this. So JPEG, and then you can hit download. After you hit download, there you go. And so all you have to do is just upload it to your YouTube channel. Also, what I like about Canva is that it saves your work for you. So all you have to do is just go back and go to home. And if you scroll down, there it goes. All right. As you guys can see, this is the thumbnail that I just made for this video. Look at that. YouTube thumbnails, how to make click-worthy thumbnails. Look at that. I just made this for this video, you guys. So obviously, if you clicked on this video, my thumbnail must have been click-worthy. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, you guys. And if you have not hit that notification bell, guys, make sure you do. And follow me on all of my social media platforms.